understand again as a simple sample example. Understand it very well. Okay, if we do this much, then many other things can be easily done. I'll just make one change further. Okay, and then let me see how well you can do it. So at this place here, I am making a change here like this. So one cutout is made like a tunnel. One cutout is made like this. Some size. Now what you will see, when you see from the left hand side, you can see it here. Correct? It will be seen there. When you see in the front direction, at this height there will be a dotted line. Correct? When you see in this direction, since it is there full, just like the square hole, it is full there. So it will come like this. Now when you see from top, what will happen? At these two distances, somewhere here, one line for this and one more line for this. Now see, this will open into this hole. It will cut the hole. So it will look like this. The square hole, in fact, I have not drawn there. I should have drawn that. This square hole should have been drawn there also. Like this. Fine. So now we have made this problem, or we have modified this problem and covered many different things here. Okay. So just understand this figure very well and note it down very well. Okay, so now look at this figure that is given in the book, and with whatever background we have got so far. With that background, let us see what it means. So here again there is one object, and this object we are seeing in this direction, and now we are going to draw the front view, which is drawn here, then the top view is drawn here, and then the left hand side is drawn here. So just see, when you see in this direction, you see front surface 2, above 2 there is 5. So this is 5. When you see from top, when you see from above, that time you will see this 6 here. So this is 6. Then there is 4. So you will see 4 here. And after that, when you see from the left hand side, you will see 1. And above 1 you will see 3. So you can see there is 1 here and there is 3 here. Okay, so simple to understand. If there are dimensions, this becomes very easy to understand. Now let's take the next figure. Now this figure, there is a cylindrical shape. So there is one disc here, one more disc above this. So this disc, when you see from this direction, this circular disc you will see as a rectangle. So this rectangle is representing this disc. Now above this, there is another disc, 2. So that will be also seen as a rectangle. When you see from top, you will see circle 3 and circle 4. So you can see here circle 3 and then circle 4 here. Okay. And then when you see from the left hand side of this, so when you see from this direction, that time you will see again shape like this and shape like this. So maybe you can say this is 2 and this is 1 again. Okay. Now look at the next figure. Now in this figure the object is like this, and you are going to look in this direction. So when you see in this direction, that time this is your 1. So you will see only 1, this is 1. Front view is here. Then when you see from above, down, that is the top view. So you will see the different surfaces, 2, then 3 and then 4. So you can see here 2, this is 2, 3, this is 3 and 4, this is 4. Okay. 5 is here. 5 is here, but it is not seen. Okay. Now when you see in the right hand direction, so this is the right hand side view drawn on the left side. Earlier we have seen left hand side view drawn on the right side. Now you see right hand side view. So look from the right side of your front view, and whatever you see from this direction, right side, what you see is drawn here. So this side when you see, you will see 6, rectangle 6, above rectangle 6 there is rectangle 5. 4 and 3 they are not seen, they are seen only as lines. So 6 and then 5, 6 and then 5, this is 3, this line is 3. This is 4, this line is 4. So this becomes your object in 3 views. Now let's take another object. So this is the object now. Again some kind of a box, and on that box there is small box, there is one more box, there is one cylindrical disc here. So when you see in this direction, that is going to be your front view. So the front view they have drawn. They are drawn front view like this. So surface 2, surface 2. Then there is a disc here. This disc you will see only 1. 8 number surface is the this circular surface. That is not seen. So 1 and 2 you see. Above there is box. So the side 3 of the box is seen here. So and then side 6 of this box. Now see there is a mistake here. This is not 4. This should be 6. The 6 is written here. And here you have to write 6. But they are written 4. So when you draw this figure, if you draw this figure, then you have to draw here 6. Write here 6. That is the front view. Now when you see from above, that is the top view, you will see this 10 number. So this is a 10 number. Then this disc, 8 number surface, you will see like this as a rectangle. This is a 9 number. So this is 9 number, so 9 number is here. This is 11 number is here. 5 number is this line not seen. 2 number is this line not seen. So this is the top view, this is the front view. Now the right hand side view, so look in this direction and draw on the left hand side view, draw on the right hand side. So look from the left side, draw on the right side. So that time surface number 4 is seen. So this is 4. So this is 4. Now again by mistake they have written 6. So this is 4 and 6, you have to interchange. This is 4. Now in middle of the 4 there is 5. So this is 5. Above there is 7. So this is 7. And on the right side there is 8. So this is 8. Now there is this object. Now the object is like this. This is the front direction. So when you draw, this is your surface 1. Then you can see 5, this is 5. 4 not seen, it is this line. 6 not seen, it is this line. 2 not seen, it is this line. Then when you see from above, top view is drawn here. So in the top view, you see the surface, the verticals upper top surface 2, surface 4 here. 5 not seen, it is line. 6 not seen, it is here. 3 not seen, it is here. So that was the top view. Now the left hand side view, when you see from this direction, this 3 is here, this 6 is here, 5 and 4, this is 5, this is 4, above surface 2, this line is 2. Now remaining figures you can yourself examine. Some figure is given here, surfaces are numbered, and when you see in this direction, the front view they are drawn here. So you can see this shape is surface 2. So this surface 2 is here. Then behind that surface 2 there is 1. So this is 1. It is. Then this is only what is seen in the front view. Then in the top view when you see, you will see 4 and 3 and 5. So 4 here, 3 here, 5 here, exactly in the same place. Vertically this should match. Okay. Then when you see from the left hand side, you draw on the right side, you will see 7, you will see 6, you will see 8. 7 here, 6 here, 8 here at that particular height. So you have to draw one construction line, light line you have to draw here. so that you can see that it is in one level. But then the main object is this. This should be drawn dark. Now look at this figure. Now in this figure, this is the object. All the different surfaces, they are numbered. So when you see in this direction, this is your 2, this is your 2. Then you will see this 1 like this. This is the shape of 1. So 1 you will see here. Nothing more you can see in the front direction. Now when you see from top, you will see 3, you will see 4, you will see 5, you will see 6. So see 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 like this, 6 like this in the top direction. And then from the right hand side, what you see? Draw on the left side. So you will see 7, after 7 there is 10, above 10 there is 9, and in the background there is 8. 7, 10, 9, 8. 7, 10, 9, and this thing is 8. This is 8. So that is this is a figure 6.57. Now next is this figure. This is a figure you see in this direction. So 1 and 2 is seen. 1 and 2 is seen. 2 is like a C shape. 2. Then when you see from above top view, you will see 5, you will see 3, and you will see this number is not given. 5 and 3 and this. 5 and 3 and this. And this is 4. You will see 4. When you see from top, 3, 4 and this surface. 3, 4 and this surface. 5, 5. Then when you see from the right direction, you will see 6. So this is 6. Then there is 4, but 4 is seen here as a dotted line. At the same level, this is dotted line for this surface, that is 4. Now this is the figure. It is like this. One inclined surface is there, and we see in this direction. So when you see in this direction, you will see these two surfaces like L shape. So this is 2. Then you will see this 1 here. Then you will see 3. It is here. And the overall this shape is just like this square shape. So this is a basic shape. You can see that there was a box, and from that box this is cut. Now when the dimensions are there, you can draw this better. So 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3 in the front view. Then when you see from top, there is 4, this is 4. Then there is 1, this will be 1. So only 4 and 1 seen. Now they have shown this phi, this is wrong. This is phi. Where is phi here? This line is phi. This line is this phi, but this phi is wrongly shown here. If you draw this figure, you don't have to write this phi. Top view. Now right hand side view. So when you see from the right hand side, you will see this phi like this. Phi like this. So again, this number 8 is wrongly coming here. There is no 8, only 5. And then what you see is 6 here. So this surface is 6. And you will also see 7. So this is 7. So 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not to be written. This is wrong. So you have drawn the 3 views, front view, top view, right hand side view drawn on the left side. Now there is this figure. This is the next figure. Now the object is like this, direction of viewing is like this. So front view, this is A, this is A. On this side there is D, this side there is E. So A, D and E, A, D and E. When you see from top, this is B like a T shape. So this is B like a T shape. And on both sides there is D and E, D and E. Top view. Now when you see from the left hand side, draw on the right side. Left hand side you draw on the right side of front view. This is C what you see, and then in this there is F. So C and F, C and F. So that is the left hand side view. Okay, now next figure is this. This is the object, and this is how it is made. So in this direction when you look, you see 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. See the inclined surface and vertical surface, they will look same. You will not be able to distinguish. In the front view, this has got a more length, this much length. 1 and 3 has got only this much length, front view. Now when you see from the top, you will see 4, again 2 and 6. So you can see 4 and 2 and 6, 2 exactly here. And then when you see from the right hand side, draw on the left side, you see this 7, only 7, and then there is 5, but, and this surface is there. So this surface is shown by inclined line, so surface 2 is by inclined line, and this is 5, which is shown here, but then it is not actually seen, it is behind. So you need not write this 5 here. Now one more figure here. This is the object. You look in this direction, front view. So you will see 7, 7. And then background there is 5. So this is 5. 5 is seen, and then this part of 5 has gone behind this. Behind this. And therefore these edges are hidden. They are not seen. Therefore dotted line, dotted line. So surface 3 is this surface 3. Surface 6 is this line, dotted line is surface 6. This dotted line is surface 3. So this is the front view. Now you draw, look from top, draw top view. So you will have to draw 4. So this will be now this figure they have drawn wrong. This figure you have to rotate. You have to rotate this by 90 degrees, say it is like this. You have to rotate like this. So that this L shape will look like this. So the whole figure you have to rotate and make it correct. Then this will become proper top view. And then when you see from the left hand side view, now then you draw on the right side. So what figure you have drawn, what figure that is shown there. This figure is left hand side view. But then this has to be drawn here. So you have to draw the whole figure as it is on this side. So when you look in this direction, this is this. Then there is 6, and then this 2, inclined surface is 2. So the figure is drawn correct, only its position is wrong. This has to be on this side. As a left hand side view drawn on the right side. And the top view they are drawn they are drawn wrong, only you have to rotate it like this. Rotate by 90 degrees. This corner should come here. This corner should come here, this corner should come here, this corner should come here. So rotate this figure by 90 degrees, then this will be correct. So we have explained so many different drawings. The drawings are given with this number 6.64, 6.65 and so on. Now out of these drawings which we have described, you will be drawing few of them. Now which drawings you have to draw, those drawings will be mentioned in the Google Classroom. Accordingly, you have to draw them. Now since these figures are not given any dimensions, you have to draw them by suitable proportion. You know the meaning of proportion just now we have discussed. So with a suitable size, you have to draw them. Okay, so that they will look approximately same. But although there are no dimensions, when you draw, you have to maintain this level. This level is corresponding level. No? So this level you have to maintain. It should not go here and there. So you have to draw this exactly in the same vertical line like this. Now this is drawn wrong. But other figures you can follow this. Whatever figures we have described. Say when you draw a figure like this cutout and these lines they should match. And you have to draw construction lines here, light lines you have to draw. You have to draw one light line here, you have to draw one light line here. Okay, it should be seen, but it should not be so dark that it will be confusing with these lines. This object must be dark, other lines should be light. Okay, so you have to basically copy the figures. I am going to show you which figures you have to draw. Suppose I have told you 6.58, then you have to draw this full 6.58. Okay, as it is. But then, as I said earlier, you have to understand why it is drawn like this and then draw. Okay, although you are copying, you must understand why it is like this. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this session.